What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort. I know, we were just here a couple days ago, but we're here to check out the Jurassic roller coaster project. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! Alright, so I'm seeing a little bit of progress over here in the City Walk area, as we have some beams right there. You can see them, but those are new. And we can see a couple more on this side as well. So yes, a little bit of progress just within the last couple days. And we're hearing again, this is supposed to be a universal store. So like the store that we have over there, but just here and much bigger. And just across from all the construction, we can see over here a Halloween Horror Night stand. Yeah, with a lot of some retro stuff. See 1999, 2000, 92. We have masks over here, as well as magnets, keychains, mugs, and more. So yeah, if you want some HHN stuff, you're in luck. Like usual, hello Lighthouse. Let's head on in.
Signed, but you can always
a little bit busier over here at the ticket booth today, and we know they have a deal going on essentially where you buy a day, you get the rest of the year free, and we know that that has really helped attendance. Turnstiles off on the right, closed, ones on the left are open, and we'll be right in. Yep, no wait like usual, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. The park is open until 6 p.m. and we can see Hulk right now at 60 minutes, Dr. Doom 20 minutes, 40 minutes for Kong, Spider-Man 15, P-Flyers 10 minutes, Forbidden Journey was 20, Fly the Hippogriff 5 minutes, Seuss Trolley 10 minutes, Carousel was 5 minutes. Hagrid's is at 60 minutes, Jurassic Park River Adventure is 25, Popeye and Bluto's was 5 minutes, and Dudley Do-Rights at 15 minutes. Yes, the Jurassic roller coaster project, and good news, I'm seeing some new track placement, this time being for the S-bend, as we can see it just off to the left. We'll get a little closer view in just a second. I guess I'll bring it up. There is a Raptor at the top of the Jurassic roller coaster project, an Osprey. Oh, and look, another one's joining. here's a little better look at that S-bend track piece that was put into place recently. Looks like we're torquing down some more bolts. Now we're over here by the Jurassic Park River Adventure, and once again, just look at all that rock work, but something new. We now have an electric fence / barrier right there going up. Tower crane's on the move, and we got a big piece of steel coming in right now. This is literally right over the top of us. And literally it took less than 3 minutes. That piece of steel is in, and the crane is about to go up. There it goes. of the building here. That's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for a Jurassic roller coaster project construction update. We're going to skip out on studios today, but I will say I am very happy with some of the progress just in the last couple days for the roller coaster. They had some new track pieces go in, a new electric fence is in, and oh yeah, the Osprey's there. Everything is looking awesome, and of course we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.